Today we'll be going over pronoun antecedent agreement. Pronouns are words that substitute for other nouns in the sentence. For an example, he, she, we, us are pronouns. The antecedent is the noun before the pronoun that the pronoun is referring to. So if we look at our example sentence, Mrs. Bennick was nervous the first day of school. She was shaking in her shoes. So Mrs. Bennick is my antecedent, and the pronoun she is referring to Miss Bennick. So my antecedent is the noun preceding the pronoun. She and her are pronouns for Miss Bennick. In these two sentences, let's see if we can find the pronoun and the antecedent. The monkey stared at the crowd. It wished to be in the jungle with his friends. Monkey is my antecedent, which is the noun that the pronoun is referring to. It is referring to the monkey, and then his is also a pronoun. Sarah felt lost when she took the test. She has test anxiety. She is my pronoun, and she is referring to Sarah, which is the antecedent. The antecedents and the pronouns must agree. That means if one is singular, then the other also has to be singular. If one is plural, then they both have to be plural. So in our example, President Lincoln is our antecedent. There is only one President Lincoln, and so it is singular. Delivered his, which is the pronoun, and it is also singular. Gettysburg addressed in 1863. If they didn't agree, then you would have one plural and one singular. When you have two or more singular nouns and they are joined by a fanboy, such as and, now we have two antecedents, and it becomes plural. The bride and the groom took their vows, and so our pronoun must be plural. Neither May or her daughter. So when you have the word or, and it's referring to one or the other, the rule is that the antecedent closest to its pronoun will determine whether it is plural or singular. So in this case, daughters is closest to the pronoun, and so daughters is plural, and so therefore the pronoun must be plural. Neither Mary or her daughters will bring their husbands. So sometimes we have some indefinite singular pronouns, and so the antecedent, nope, this would be the antecedent. The pronoun must be singular. And the key to remembering this is that when they say any one, so one is going to be singular, any one person, each animal. So they're talking about them individually, so that would be singular. Nobody is singular. All of these are singular. Every one of you needs to listen to his assignment, his lesson, or her lesson. So we're just going to have to look at these and study them a little bit and know that these indefinite pronouns are all singular. And then we'll have some plural indefinite pronouns, such as several, some, many, most. Several indicate that they will be late for their classes. Several is plural, so the pronoun must be plural, and therefore they agree. Okay, so let's practice. Let's try to find the antecedent and then choose the correct pronoun. All of the students in their class enjoyed his or her or their time away from school. Each of the students wanted to save his or her or their place at the picnic tables. Everybody brought his or her or their backpacks with dry socks and shoes. Some of the lake pollution was down from its or their all-time high. And the next slide has the answers, so test your knowledge, see if you are grasping this. There are tons of tutorials online. We are going to be producing a no red ink um, assignment that has practice of picking the right pronouns with its antecedents. Right now, I'd like for you to write your own sentence with pronouns, underline the pronouns, and box the antecedents. There is a exit ticket I'd like for you to complete to see if you know what you're doing, and then we're going to work on the no red ink practice. Please complete the practice. Keep going until you make a good grade. Once you get the hang of it, then you can take your quiz, and the quiz is for a grade, and the no red ink is due on Friday. Remember, gladiators, I am here to help you if you need any help at all. Please don't hesitate to email me, to come to academic tutoring. We can work during our downtime, during our brain breaks. So if you need any help at all, know that I am here. Have a great day.